This is very quick tutorial. Like, if you encounter this error upon importing your image into the Photoshop, so the best thing to do, or the easiest way to do, is go to Microsoft Paint, open your image. Okay, you see the image file type is different, like it is JFIF. Now, lower version of Adobe Photoshop doesn't recognize some of the image file format. So that's why we need to uh, you know, open it on Paint and then save it as JPEG, or it can be PNG. And once you save that, go again to Photoshop and try to import again your desired image. And here you go.